Hello there! After this video, 4 funny pet t-shirts, funny pet mugs, non-GMO pet products, consultation services, and more, go to or click on our website link in the description box below. Big kiss! Here's Munchkin!
Virus-infected killer kittens viciously attack. Viewer discretion advised. In the sanctuary state of California, where a majority of Democrats and anti-Trump supporters reside, a virus has been unleashed by the Illuminati Luciferians, affecting only kittens, causing them to become bloodthirsty animals that viciously attack without provocation. Initially, these kittens seem cute and cuddly, but don't let them fool you, as they are deadly. I'll let scientist and proctologist Dr. Harry Butts explain.
Yes, it's reported that these infected kittens hide, wait for their prey, attack, then retreat. They're everywhere. Windowsills. They have no conscience. This kitten here bitch slaps his mama, then retreats. Little coward. They hide in purses. Yeah. We see you, you little shit. They hide in bushes. Watch how vicious these kittens are. They lure you in with their cute and cuddly ways, then attack. Sneaky little devils. Very deceptive. Stay away. They're pure evil. Don't be fooled. This Luciferian virus makes them crazy. Poor little bastards. They're still filthy, disgusting little animals, if you ask me. Nevertheless, don't provoke or play with them, at the risk of getting bit and infected with the virus, or you'll pay the price. As this man did, which turns humans into zombies. Unfortunately, this man had to be put down. Ow, that had to hurt. No worries though, as the area has been evacuated and sanitized. All residents are safe to return home just as soon as the fires burn out and the smoke clears. I'd say, maybe in a day or two.
Doctor, excuse me, an update just came in. All infected kittens have been captured, vaccinated, and quarantined, which has freed them from the deadly Luciferian virus. Soon they'll be back to perfect health, chasing lint on the floor, shadows on the wall, and sleeping 18 hours a day.
No shit. Huh. I hate cats. I'm hungry. Can I get a biscuit?
We'll keep you updated with this story and more.